So the very first year that I worked with private clients, I made an extra $24,000 on the side of my job at the hospital. So that was without quitting my job, without letting go of steady pay or benefits. I literally added an extra $24,000. It was kind of like I gave myself a raise. And the way that I did that was I started off by seeing just one client after work one time a week. And then I started seeing that client two times a week. And then I picked up another client. So then that was 3 sessions a week, then 4, 5, 6, all the way up to 13 sessions a week that I was doing after work, then on the weekends. And that's kind of how I built my practice. Once I got to about 10 clients, I decided to cut my hours down. So I cut down from 40 hours to 32 hours, which allowed me some extra time to be able to work with those private clients. But really, making that extra money that year was a game changer for me because I had a wedding coming up that I wanted to, obviously pay for. And so to be able to have that extra money coming in was absolutely incredible. And again, I was able to do it without quitting my job or without going without anything, right? This was an addition to what I was already making at the hospital. And that felt amazing. Want more information about private practice? First, make sure that you're subscribed and that your notifications are on. Also, check out the links below this video for more free resources to help you get started.